Friends, today we are going to discuss about performance curve of pumps. A pump performance curve indicates how a pump will perform in regard to pressure, head, flow at vendor shop for a particular operating speed and a specific inlet and outlet diameter. The vendor shall take the test data including heat, flow rate, power, appropriate bearing temperature and vibration at least 5 points, and these 5 points normally be: 1 is your shut off, there no vibration record is required. 2 is called minimum continuous stable flow. 3rd is midway between minimum and rated flow and maximum allowable flow, that is 125% of BEP. Now this is the performance curve. You see, this is the performance curve. Here you can see that this is your operating point, this is your operating point, and this is your preferred operating region, this is your allowable operating region, this is head, this is your performance curve, this is power curve, this is efficiency curve, this is NPSH curve. Here it is flow, meter cube per hour, and head is meter. Now this is your shut off head, this one is called the shut off head. This is your preferred operating range, this is your allowable operating range, this is your operating point, and this is your best efficiency point, and this is your rundown point, rundown condition point. Now understanding the performance curve, this is head versus Q, this is power curve, this is efficiency curve, this is NPSH curve, and this is your performance curve, and this is your system resistance curve. Where the system resistance curve cut the performance curve, it is called the operating point. Now performance shut off point means when you are start a pump and close the discharge valve, at that time your pressure will be maximum, flow will be minimum, flow will be 0. This is called your shut off head. Operating region means portion of a pump over which the pump's vibration is within the base limit of this international standard. International standard have given us a vibration range of pump, and that its base limit, of still acceptable limit, rough limit, etc. So many things. Their base limit is the vibration. Base vibration limit is the region where your pump operating region will be there. Then operating region allowable means portion of pump hydraulic coverage over which a pump is allowed to operate based on vibration within upper limit of the international standard and temperature rise or other limitation specified by the manufacturer. This is the upper limit of international standard. This is the base limit of international standard. And then normal operating point means normally pump is operated under normal process condition. Best efficiency point where the efficiency is maximum. Run out condition means it's the maximum flow take place from the pump. At this particular condition, your is create when the flow rate of the liquid is high. Liquid may leave the pump faster than the liquid enter into the pumps. This create a very low pressure and may create cavitation. So pump outer ram is the maximum flow rate that can be developed by a pump without damaging the pump. Run out condition corresponds to a very small pump pressure. Decreasing pressure further below run out point may overload the pump motor and pump can damage. This is the pictorial value, this is the shut off point, this is your operating point, this is your out point, this is your efficiency curve, this is your BHP curve, this is your system resistance curve. Run out point is the maximum flow that can be developed by a centrifugal pump without damaging it. Now this is the normally used to from the manufacturer. Manufacturer are used to give a performance curve at three different diameter of the impeller. This one is the performance curve for maximum diameter. This one is the violet color. This is the intermediate rated impeller diameter. This is the minimum. Green color is the minimum impeller diameter. And these three is are also similarly, respectfully. This is 400. This is 373. This is 326 diameter impeller for the power. And this one is the your efficiency curve. This one is your efficiency curve. And right hand side you can see the three different RPM they are giving the curve. One is maximum, more than rated, another is rated, and another minimum, So, operation point limited within the maximum and minimum allowable flow rates. Although the curve is plotted for a wide range of flow rate, the actual operation is to be limited within the maximum and minimum allowable flow rate. Minimum and maximum allowable flow rate. So I think I have clear. If you go through these slides, I have explained each and every points. So your conception regarding the performance curve of a pump will be clear. So if you have any question, you can ask me in my mobile number or my mail ID. Normally the question may be asked to you that what is prefer operating prefer operating point, what is allowable operating point, what is the efficiency point, why the three diameter three performance curve are giving for three diameter. All these questions arise, and if you go through the slide, you can reply it. Thank you very much.